AI is revolutionizing manufacturing, enhancing efficiency, precision, and productivity. AI is transforming manufacturing, moving beyond futuristic visions to practical, transformative applications. Projected market value of AI in manufacturing: $20.8 billion by 2028, 45.6% CAGR from 2023. 70% of global manufacturers understand AI's value. 57% are piloting or deploying AI. AI automates tasks and aids workers throughout the manufacturing process, from product design to quality control. Analyzes vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict outcomes faster than human analysts. Reduces workflow redundancies through increased visibility and tracks material usage for supply chain optimization. AI-driven robots detect and report errors in real time, increasing productivity and decreasing costs. Key benefits of AI in manufacturing: improved maintenance and operations, enhanced quality and precision, efficient production and automation, supply chain and inventory management, advanced product development. AI use cases in factory automation. Data analytics for decision-making. Unearths real-time patterns from vast datasets for strategic decisions. Material waste reduction. Optimizes material usage and cuts down on quality issues. Real-time monitoring and control. Provides visibility into production stages, enabling immediate adjustments. Customer demand forecasting. Accurately aligns production schedules with market demand. Predictive maintenance. AI analyzes sensor data to predict equipment failures, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Quality control and defect detection. AI systems identify anomalies and defects in products with high precision. Generative design. AI assists in creating optimized product designs and prototypes, reducing development time. Supply chain optimization. AI helps forecast demand, optimize inventory, and detect disruptions. Here, Vector Infotech is your partner for custom AI solutions for AI manufacturing. Vector Infotech helps you automate your workflows, reduce cost, and improve efficiency. Now you know what AI can do, let's see how we can embark on an AI development project in manufacturing. Step 1. Define specific problems AI will solve, data needed, and success metrics. Step 2. Ensure high quality, clean, and structured data. Data visualization is key. Step 3. Develop a strategy plan deployment, cloud, on-premises, hybrid, and monitoring of AI models. Step 4. Select platform and software. Choose a multi-coding language AI platform for data handling and visualization. Step 5. Take a pilot project. A small trial to test out the feasibility evaluation before scaling to a full-scale deployment. Cost estimation for AI projects from $10K for proof of concept to more than $500K for a full integration project. Factor affecting the cost. Hardware requirement. Data source size. Cloud versus on-premises. Training and customizations. Company can optimize the investment by start with pilot project, leverage cloud-based solution, and partner with experienced AI developer. Vector Infotech offers services including 1. AI-powered predictive maintenance. 2. AI-driven supply chain optimization. 3. AI model development. 4. Knowledge mining chatbot. 5. Cost-effective and seamless integration. AI is not just a trend, but a transformative shift for manufacturing, offering significant competitive advantages. Focus on clear objectives, data quality, and a phased implementation approach for successful AI adoption. Consider outsourcing for initial development to gain expertise and accelerate progress before building in-house capabilities. Contact Vector Infotech for your AI integration needs.